AI is transforming marketing faster than anything we've seen before. By 2025, large parts of traditional marketing will be completely replaced. Let's break down what's changing, who's impacted, and how you can stay ahead. AI went from being a cool extra tool to something every business now depends on. Platforms can write content, design graphics, and run ads instantly. Here's what AI is already replacing: content writing, graphic design, ad optimization, and SEO research. If a task is repetitive or rule-based, it's being outsourced to machines. This means traditional job roles are shrinking. AI is faster, cheaper, and scalable. The future of marketing will need fewer executors and more strategists. Clients want automation, speed, and ROI. Agencies that don't adopt AI will be replaced by leaner, AI-powered agencies. Marketing workflows have changed completely. What took days now takes minutes. Generate posts, design visuals, create ads, build email sequences instantly. If you want to thrive in this new era, learn AI tools and automation, strategy and funnel design, and data interpretation. The future marketer isn't a content maker, they're a strategist and architect. AI won't replace all marketers, but it will replace marketers who refuse to evolve. The ones who survive will be those who adapt, automate,